Is Prodentim really the product that can help you with your oral problems? Does its formula really work, and is it safe to use the product? These are probably the questions that are running through your head now, and a lot of people are looking for a health supplement that's going to help them have healthier teeth and gums because they find that the brushing and flossing and using mouthwash isn't enough to ensure the health of their mouth. And a lot of people like you are also looking for an honest review about Prodentim. So after watching this video, you're going to know if Prodentim is really worth spending your money on. So I did my research before making the video. So with that, I'm going to start with a quick summary and overview of the product, and then I'm going to get straight into the benefits that you can get from it. I'm also going to look at its ingredients, if it's really safe to use, the side effects, and lastly, I'm going to give you my final thoughts about the product so you can know if it's really a good one for you. And if you decide that it is a good product, then I've left a special discounted link down below. So you can make sure you use that link if you really want to get a discount on the product. So with that being said, let's now dive in and find the truth behind Prodentim. So first, let's talk about how it actually works. Prodentim is a dietary supplement created to enhance gum and tooth health. So for people who actually struggle to have healthy teeth and gums, I could really say that this product's for you. I know that it's a given that we as people take care of our teeth and gums by, regularly brushing and flossing and using mouthwash. Now don't get me wrong, but I can say that those things aren't enough not to maintain your oral health, because they just clean your mouth externally, but they don't give the nutrients it needs to become healthier and whiter and stronger. So with that, Prodentim's going to be a great help for you, because this product contains all of the ingredients that will benefit your teeth as well as your gums. But don't worry, because we're going to go into that later, but for now let's stay with the product. So the product can be easily bought from the official website, and it's really easy to take. Regularly drinking this supplement is going to ensure that you have stronger gums and teeth, prevent bleeding gums, give you whiter teeth, a better immune system, and even improve digestive health. This supplement does really have a lot of benefits, so you can really rely on this one when it comes to your oral health. With all the benefits I've mentioned, you are probably wondering what ingredients this contains that will make these benefits possible. Well guys, there are actually 3.5 billion strains of probiotics and prebiotics in it. With that, it's quick and efficient because the quantity is significantly higher than other frequently used forms of probiotics. It contains Lactobacillus reuteri, Lactobacillus paracasi, Bliss M18, Bliss K12, B-lactis, malic acid, inulin, dicalcium phosphate, spearmint, and peppermint. And you can see these ingredients on the packaging. So you could research on your own the specific function of each one and find out. But basically, these are the best ingredients that could help your oral health. Simply put, Prodentim is all-in-one supplement that can really enhance your overall health of your gums and teeth. And all of these ingredients are entirely natural, safe, and effective, according to my research. I've read that the supplements are used daily by thousands of people without any negative side effects, and I believe that the fact the supplement is manufactured in the US in a facility that has FDA approval and good manufacturing methods helps with that. But do keep in mind that every individual's results may vary. Nevertheless, I believe it's worthwhile to try the product. To take this amazing supplement, you will only need to take 1 capsule per day at any time you want, with the drink of your choice. Even though you can take this at any time, I highly encourage you to take it in the morning, because it will be more effective when your stomach's empty. In addition, please avoid taking this product if you are already taking other supplements. And lastly, please take note that you should only take 1 per day, because having more than that is going to harm you, and I don't want that to happen to you. So, there are actually claims that this supplement is a scam, but the product is honest with all the ingredients and processes it's got to come through. So in addition, if you're unsatisfied with the product, you can return the product and receive a refund from the company. And if you think the product is perfect for the current condition of your teeth, I'll be sure to include the link where you can buy this product. Make sure to use the official website link that I've provided in the description of this video so you can get a discount as well. So that's it. As I've said, this is all based on my research, so you can be assured that all the things I've said are true and have a basis. Anyway, I hope this video helped you, and if you learned a lot in the video, make sure to give it a like and comment if you like. And if you have any questions, comment down below, because I'm here. Thanks.